Joe Zia here at Zia Sensations. Today we're going to showcase some of the reflex areas, the reflex points that exist on the body and how to use them with essential oils. So reflex points, your basic reflex points are going to be on your wrists, on the sides of your necks, on the bottom of your feet, and there are other places you can apply the oils, and they do get absorbed into your body. The roll-ons are by far the best way to get oils on your reflex points. And at Zia, we have a huge selection of essential oils already made into rollers, like our Breathe blend. There's our Serenity blend, which is wonderful. There's oils like our antifungal, our eczema blend, our antiviral, just straight single oils like lavender. One of the really cool things here is you can get any oil you want in a roll-on format. Another cool feature we have here is we also have gemstone roll-ons. So you can ask for any of these roll-ons with the gemstone of your preference, including the ball, and we will bottle it with the oil that you like. You can get them refilled anytime for just $10. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.